What are the components of product costs? Well, costs incurred to create a product are known as product cost or component costs. Okay, product costs generally include direct labor. All right, this is the man hours, the physical activities that went into production of the product. Direct materials, any parts, any raw materials that are necessary. If you're making concrete blocks, you're using sand as a raw material, right? Into the final project. Consumable production supplies, that's everything that is consumed as part of the process. Perhaps you needed paper plates to feed the crew. Perhaps you needed gasoline to run a generator or heater. Something like that. These are things, once again, that went into the production of the project that you consumed at that point. And then lastly, factory overhead. This is an indirect cost because it doesn't relate specifically to the production of the process. It relates to keeping the business in existence. Okay, so generally these costs have to be allocated through a number of methods to the product that's produced. So that's what you run into with product costs. With services, it's a little bit different. The primary cost driver there is going to be labor. So you look at the total hours of labor put in, the cost of those hours of labor. Secondary things like the expenses associated with labor, like payroll taxes and other employee benefits that you have to pay, such as matching and retirement, healthcare premiums, subsidies, and any other allowances or benefits that you provide to the employee. All of these are direct costs that go in. You're still going to have some indirect costs like overhead as that you have to allocate to the service delivery process. Okay, but generally when it comes to identifying the components of cost for creating a product, and we use the term product broadly to refer to products and services, it's going to be a combination of those direct and indirect costs. Direct contributing directly to the production of the value proposition, indirect arising separate from the actual production of the product. That means they're going to occur no matter what. So these are the primary components of product cost.